Let's take a look at some of the possibilities for controlling sound using Audion. When we start the program, we see a field populated with a number of birds that forage for food and mates. To interact with these birds, we can place a bird feeder. The feeder will produce pieces of food periodically. When the birds eat this food, a grain is triggered. Another object we can place is the bird watcher. Whenever a pair of birds attempts to mate in the watcher's effective radius, a grain is triggered. Because these events tend to happen frequently within a cluster of birds, the sound is often more continuous than with the feeder. System-wide parameters can also have an effect on the sound. For instance, the average hunger of the population leads to more reverberation. By placing a bird feeder and mitigating the population's hunger, we can hear the reverberation decrease with time. Another example is the way population fear affects time and tempo. One effect of a higher average fear is that grains are only triggered at certain intervals, and the higher the population's fear, the greater time between those intervals. Fear is induced by the hunter object, so when we decrease the radius of this hunter object here, we hear the activity increase.